Hello YouTube and hello Allan. This is your CNC controller and I thought I might just make a video for everybody to see it. And this is actually Picasso, your friendly CNC pendant. What did I say, CNC controller? No, it's a CNC pendant. And his name is Picasso because he looks like a funny face. And once you plug it in, it even has a smile. Anyhow, right now on this, when I ship it out, it has the two rotary encoders and the up and down buttons enabled. And you can see back there, when I turn, this is up, down. This is actually the Y-axis, this is the X-axis. X goes left to right, Y goes back to forth, and if I switched over to a web page, you can scroll up and down, which is the Z-axis. There's also two more buttons, this here and this here, and you have a thumb button which goes up, down and in, so you can assign those to any shortcuts you want to have in your CNC controller software, like homing or stop or alarm or hold or pause, whatever you want. You can upload that and it just plugs in, and you select the Arduino Leonardo as board. And actually this is also Arduino Leonardo, my keyboard, and this works at the same time as this. So even if you would have two of them at the same time, they would work side by side. You can see here I can go back, forth, up, down, and same here. So this is it. You can find this on my Tindie store if you like it. And this is it, Allan. This is for you. And I will ship it out tomorrow. Thanks for watching and take care, everybody.